to you a new software called Ganttic. Ganttic is a management tool designed for project and resource management and is suited for any needs from small to large corporations, from office work to plant management, and even for personal use. The first layout we are going to discuss is the resource layout. As you can see, we have a menu at the top and the sidebar at the left of the window. The sidebar provides you with easy navigation between resources, projects, reports, prints, and settings. The settings menu can be accessed from the bottom of the slide menu and can be used to define your working hours, for example, Monday to Friday from 9 to 5, and a lot of other options. You have three options for adjusting how you view your tasks. The first is the navigation header, which gives you easy access to the daily view, weekly view, monthly view, and yearly view. The slide-out navigation panel gives you access, for example, to go 1 month ahead or 1 month back in the monthly view. And the view settings can either adjust the time view, or you can adjust the color schemes and how you will view the colors in your grid. For example, you can go for project colors or resource colors, or colors depending on the completion stage of each task. Tasks are really easy to create. You can just click on the desired time and then drag and drop, and a new task will be created. A new menu will show up, which we will discuss later on. In the resource view, you have options, the option of grouping your resource according to your needs. Each group is called a resource group, and for example, a design team is a resource group and meeting rooms is another resource group. Resources and resource groups are really easy to manage. You can either click on them to change the name, or you can go to the right of each resource or resource group to open up the menu. In the menu, you have options to rename, delete, add a resource or a resource group, move the resource up and or down, and show the utilization rates, which are the percentage signs at the left of each column. Now, when you create a task, the task information opens up. You have the option to name the task. This name will appear on the top of each task in your resource view or a project view. You can either adjust the start and end time, you can adjust how much time needs to be performed for each task, you can adjust the utilization rate, and you can assign resources. If you want to assign more than one resource for each task, for example, you have a task where 2 or more of your colleagues are working on it, you can just click this little plus button here and you can add a resource or a meeting room or any other resource that you have already added in your resource view. You can assign a project for each task. For example, you work on the design of a new logo or anything else that you have introduced in your project view. You can click here and assign it to it, and you can then see it in the project view. You can add a task description, for example, for more information for your colleagues, and you can add a task status. If you change anything in the task, it shows up in the history, and you can add comments for each change that you made. And you can add more fields and more details to each task by just clicking the Add Field task. Now, the second view you can see here is the project view. It is very similar to the resource view. It's just grouped by each project. And here we have described 3 different projects: design, logo, website design, and administrative tasks. And each resource that is assigned to each project or that has tasks in each project will be available as a resource under the project name, and then you can see all the projects and the project tasks on the right. At the moment, this is grouped by project color, so each project has a specific color. If you group by resources, or you assign the color scheme by completion of each task, these colors will change. Thank you very much for watching this presentation, and I hope you find this program interesting and useful. Thank you.